Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we will be reviewing the Britax Highpoint booster seat. Let's get into some of its features. It's made with soft, breathable knit fabrics, and it has 2 armrests to keep your child comfortable. Your child will love having 2 cup holders, and you'll love that they are removable and dishwasher safe. It has a 10-position adjustable headrest to keep your child supported as they grow. There are also 3 layers of side impact protection to keep them safe in case of an accident. It's got color-coded belt guides to make sure you're buckling your child correctly. This includes a SecureGuard Belt-Positioning Clip for the lap belt. Now let's go over how to install it. We'll start with high back mode, which is great for kids who weigh 40 to 120 pounds and are 44 to 63 inches tall. To begin, pull out the flexible lower connectors by pushing the release button on the left side of the booster seat base. Attach these connectors securely to the lower anchors of the vehicle seat until they click. Push the high point into the crease of the vehicle seat while pulling the lower connector adjuster strap on either side of the booster seat to remove slack. These lower connectors are not required, but they are convenient for securing the booster seat when your child is not in the car with you. From here, pull the seat belt down and thread the vehicle's shoulder belt through the shoulder belt clip. Thread the lap belt underneath the armrests and buckle the seat belt. Then make sure to clip the lap belt into the SecureGuard clip. The lap belt should rest high across your child's thighs. Once your child grows and is between 48 to 120 pounds and 46 to 63 inches tall, you can remove the backrest for no back mode. Just bend it backwards until it unclips and store it away. Next, you can reattach the lower connectors and tighten the strap. When your child is seated, root the seat belt similarly underneath the armrests and buckle it. Thread it through the SecureGuard clip again and you're good to go. Overall, the Britax Highpoint is a durable, comfortable booster seat option for older children. It's easy to use and we can't recommend it enough. Thanks for watching. To shop the Britax Highpoint or any other gear, go to babycubby.com. We offer free shipping on orders $25 or more. To learn more about another Britax car seat, check out this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.